So I put in a new belt. This is the old one, and this is the variety pack. And I was deciding between these two size belts. They vary in size by, I don't know, plus or minus 2 or 3 millimeters. So I don't know if that's manufacturing, just aberration, or if that's on purpose. But yeah, it was between this one, which is about 5 or 5.5 centimeters in diameter, or this one, which is about 16 and a half, 17 millimeters in diameter. What I was saying, I think I was saying millimeters. Well, I don't. You can see the ruler, so you can see the difference. But actually, the the original belt that I took out, I was like, okay, it's closer to this size. But when I put these in, um, it was actually pretty loose. So I ended up using the next size down, and now it's pretty tight. So I mean, it's not super tight, but this is how it runs. So that's fast forward, rewind, and that is play. So it runs a lot nicer than how it was initially. So it's really just cool mechanical, electrical engineering product. All right, see ya.